In the vast expanse of the cosmos, stars are not just twinkling lights, they are dramatic storytellers. Stars live, evolve, and eventually they die. But some of them, they don't just fade away, they go out with a bang. These are supernovae, stellar explosions as bright as an entire galaxy. A cosmic spectacle of immense power and beauty. Each supernova is a unique event, a celestial firework that lights up the universe and leaves us in awe. But supernovae are not just about spectacle. They are cosmic factories, creating elements that make up everything around us. From the iron in our blood to the silicon in our computers, we are all made of stardust, the remnants of ancient supernovae. This is the encore of a star's life. This is a supernova. Like, share, and follow for more such mind-boggling interstellar facts.